Your money sitting in a savings account is losing value right now. Not slowly, every single day. There's one simple tool that can flip that around, and most people never learn how it actually works. This is mutual funds, explained the way nobody explained it to you before. No jargon, no confusion. Just what it is, how it grows your money, and how to avoid the trap that eats new investors alive. What a mutual fund actually is. Most beginners think investing means picking stocks like a Wall Street trader. A mutual fund removes that pressure. It's a pool where thousands of people's money is combined and managed by a professional fund manager who spreads it across many companies at once. Think of it like a business co-op. Instead of one owner risking everything alone, 100 owners pool resources and hire an expert to run it well. You don't need expert knowledge to invest smart. You need access to one. But pooling money is only step one. Here's how that pool actually turns into profit for you. How it grows your money. People assume mutual fund growth is random or lucky. It isn't. Your return comes from two places: the rising value of what the fund owns and dividends the fund passes back to you. Compounded over years, small consistent contributions turn into serious wealth. A business owner who invests a fixed percentage of monthly profit isn't gambling. They're stacking small wins that multiply over time. Consistency beats timing. The goal isn't picking the perfect moment, it's staying in long enough for compounding to work. But not every mutual fund fits every goal. There are 4 types you need to know before you pick one. And one of these 4 types is quietly outperforming the expert-managed ones almost every single year. Stay with me. The 4 main types you should know. Beginners often buy the first fund recommended to them without knowing what category it belongs to. Equity funds invest mainly in stocks, higher risk, higher potential growth. Debt funds invest in bonds, steadier, lower risk. Hybrid funds mix both for balance. Index funds simply track a market index with very low fees. A cautious owner nearing retirement might lean toward debt or hybrid, while a younger entrepreneur reinvesting profit might lean equity or index. Match the fund type to your risk tolerance and timeline, not to what's trending. Now here's the part that quietly wrecks beginner returns: the fee trap. Most beginners fall into. New investors chase the fund with the best returns last year and skip the fine print. Every mutual fund charges an expense ratio, an annual fee taken from your money whether the fund performs well or not. A fund charging 2% instead of 0.5% can quietly cost you tens of thousands over 20 years because that fee compounds against you the same way your returns compound for you. 2 people invest the same amount for 20 years. One pays 0.5% in fees, the other pays 2%. Same market, same starting point, dramatically different result. Check the expense ratio before you check last year's returns. If this is making mutual funds click for you, hit the like and subscribe buttons. It helps this channel keep making videos like this. A mutual fund is pooled money, professionally managed, growing through compounding. And the winner isn't the flashiest fund, it's the one with the lowest fees and the right fit for your risk and timeline. Start small, stay consistent, and let time do the heavy lifting. Subscribe for the next video, where I break down exactly how to compare 2 mutual funds side by side before you invest a single dollar.